Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
葫芦外形人见人爱，用途广泛，客语谐音福禄，葫芦籽多，有子孙万代意涵。山林区因为有葫芦之乡美誉，在地呈现出不同风格的葫芦雕刻艺术风貌。例如，新庄国小内的葫芦雕刻艺术馆展示葫芦10大雕刻技法。山林区更培育出许多享誉国内外研究葫芦雕刻艺术家。
Hey, what's up? It's time for another edition of Talk About Hakka on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy San.
Wait, it is Nancy! Yes! Welcome back, Nancy.
Hi, good to be back.
Actually, I knew you were coming back today, so I have a special gift for you.
You do?
Mm-hmm. You know, this month we're taking folks to a district in Kaohsiung known as Sanling District, and they're known for their calabash. So this calabash is for you.
Oh,
it's a bottle gourd. It's a gourd shaped in the form of the bottle, right? Yeah. And the reason that they like using this as gifts is because it symbolizes prosperity. The way it sounds when you pronounce bottle gourd in Hakka, it's just like prosperity. But also there are a lot of seeds found inside, right?
Yeah.
And I know you took a break because you had a baby. So congratulations.
Thank you.
And I wish you more. And these seeds symbolizes fertility to have more kids in the future. So good luck.
Right. Many seeds symbolizing fertility. That also sounds like the pomegranate in many cultures, but especially in Greece.
Yes.
And they actually include pomegranates in weddings. They'll take a pomegranate and they'll break it on the ground. And that also symbolizes many children and fertility and abundance.
All the seeds on the ground, all the kids lying there. I can see that as a symbol of fertility. And so it's nice to have that parallel in a different country. And if you're interested to learn more about bottle gourds here in Taiwan, again, you can go to Sanling District. They actually have a museum there to display different types of bottle gourd carvings as well. So it's kind of like an art.
Oh, it's an art form. Yeah, that's like what they do in Peru. They also do gourd carving, and it's actually been around for thousands of years. And they'll take these carving tools and they'll make bold designs or detailed scenes or even tell stories. And they'll actually add different shades of brown by using a heated stick to burn the gourd.
Wow.
Yeah, like one of those gourds takes months to complete.
Sure.
It's an art form.
You know what? I can see a cultural exchange right here. Our artist going over there and theirs coming here.
That'd be
do a little
amazing.
gourd exchange, all right? All right, let's teach you some of these phrases, such as the bottle gourd or calabash, 就是我们的葫芦。
福禄。
但是听起来听说是跟福禄很像，对不对？那如果是福禄怎么说呢？
福禄。
That means prosperity because they sound so much alike. That's today's Let's Talk About Hakka on ICRT. 俺只say张来了。
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.